Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Apple Intelligence in System Settings so features can run. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID and make sure iCloud Sync is active. This gives the model access to your documents and mail for context. Next, enable Siri dictation and allow the intelligence settings to read messages if you want predictive suggestions. Finally, review the privacy toggles and explicitly select which apps and file types you permit the system to index for smarter results. You now customize how Apple Intelligence behaves. Choose basic or full personalization to control memory and suggestion depth. Once chosen, create a few prompts and templates. Teach it your tone and repetitive tasks by saving automations and shortcuts. This helps it generate useful drafts and workflows. Also, make app-level rules. Instruct it to highlight key phrases in Mail, prioritize certain folders in Finder, and surface research in Safari. These steps refine results and reduce irrelevant suggestions over time. You start using Apple Intelligence in everyday workflows. Call it from Spotlight or QuickNote and try composing an email or summarizing a web page. As you work, monitor activity and privacy logs to see what data influences suggestions. If something seems off, revoke access for that app and retrain with clearer examples. If performance lags or results are inaccurate, rebuild the Spotlight index, and, if necessary, reset intelligence data selectively. This restores baseline behavior without wiping all settings. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.